Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to create the feed page backend, connecting the feed with the backend services. So for this we have to create a posts collection in the backend. Now we have to create the variables. The first name is post user, and then photo as the image path, video as the video path, likes as a list of document reference of users, and now we will attach all the variables and the values with the UI elements. For the user circle image, let's fix the likes button first. We will make the blank liked button and the already liked button as conditional, as at a time only one will be appeared. But before this we need to create a query collection of the posts. We will enable the infinite scrolling. Now we have to create a time posted variable that will help us to order all the items in the query collection in the post field in the list view. Now we will set a document reference from the main query collection in the container, so it will help us to identify all the variables very quickly. Now let's set from the variables. We will dynamically call the values from the query collection and the document reference of the posts. Now let's fix the liked button. If the authenticated user has already liked the post, then the post liked button should be red. Let's copy the same action and make it false. We will update the document on like if you tap on the like button, then your user reference ID will be set to likes. That's how the backend will know that you have already liked the post or not. If you haven't liked the post, then it will show empty, either it will be filled. And if you again tap on the filled like button, then the like will be removed. We will create the follow system in another video in the next video series. For now we will fix the image and make the image conditional. If the post user has posted an image, then only then the image will be appeared. and same for the video. Now we will dynamically call the display name of the post user. For this we will set a document reference of users of the post user. We will attach it with a row, so it will simplify the other actions to be completed. Now from the user document reference we will call the display name value and make a default name as social media user, and the circle image path will be set as the post user's profile photo. You can give any default variable path. If the user hasn't set any profile photo, then the default variable value will be appeared at the place. We will continue our video series, all the following friend requests, chat system, chat box, profile photo, quick create account, login, everything in the next video series. So keep watching with our channel. Thank you for watching this video till now.